Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, our analysis mostly is still the same. Since yesterday we haven't got any drastic action, market slowly but stubbornly is continuing to move lower. And our short-term destination point is 11 even. So this area, probably this market could take some pause for some time, because you can see this is not just the lows, but this is also daily reversal. So mostly it's probably that this stop, if it really will happen, this stop probably will be just technical, so just as a response on the oversold condition, but not strategical, since in strategy market right now stands in downward action. Since it has failed to continue move higher, it's probably we will see the further downward action. And also today, it's in general, this is the question itself, whether the market will stop here. So if non-farm payrolls will be super positive, so there's probably the market could just break this area down, as here for example, because the commodities reacts not as strictly on overbought oversold as financial markets. Financial markets do not like to stand too long in overbought and oversold conditions, and when they retrace faster, while the commodities could stand above the overbought or below the oversold for a considerable period, and this is absolutely comfortable for them. So that's why on the commodities, when you deal with the oversold, it's not really, the market just feels a bit more freely compared to with the oversold areas, compared to financial, not as strictly. So it's possible the market could fluctuate around the oversold, move below it and stand there for some time. It will respond, but it's a bit not as strictly as the financial markets do. So that's why we expect that market could show bounce here, but the final question stands upon the data of the non-farm payrolls. So super positive numbers could just move market directly to the 1080 area. So support, that will be also new, so you can see monthly pivot support one right in around this area. So first we will be watching for this area. If still bounce will start, then we will use the 4-hour time frame chart. Trend is bearish here as well. And if bounce will start, it probably the area that we will be watching for stands around 1112, 1122 area, because this will be the confidence resistance. Taken in consideration that these levels also will drift slightly lower if market will hit 11 even area. For that distance approximately, market also will move the levels, because currently levels are based on this low. Since new low will be created, then the levels also will move slightly lower. That's why they will stand approximately at 1120, 1122 area. That will be also, guys, previous lows. So you can see the support. So it's support, this will be resistance, and that will be the new pivot point, monthly pivot point for October. It hasn't been tested yet, and it also will be in this area. We'll be watching for that. Currently, guys, we do not have any other destination points, any other beacons patterns, except maybe this steep AB equals CD patterns, lightning bolt ABCD with a very small BC leg. I look at these ABCDs with a suspicious and very rare use them, but here, guys, in fact we do not have anything else. But still, as you can see, this ABCD, even such sort of the ABCD points in the same area, 11 even. So that's been said, our trading plan for today is waiting for the hitting of the 11 even. If non-farm payrolls will be according to expectation or slightly better, it will keep the chance on the possible starting of the upward bounce from the 11 even. And if this bounce will really start, the second stage of our plan is the waiting for 1120 area, where we will try to take the short position.